Greetings everyone. This is kr4T0X Trading and I am kr4T0X. In this video, we will see how to identify the change of range in a sideways market. Up till now, we have seen how to identify the beginning of a sideways market, how to trade in them, and in this video, we will see how to identify the change of the range. We see in our second video of this series uh, with the title of identifying the beginning of a sideways market. So we saw that there was a downward trend, and after liquidity hunt, the market marks a sideways range. Uh, s- uh, and today we are at this position right now, and we see that this is the same scenario, a downward move with a lower low. See, this was the previous low, this is the lower low, then a lower high, this was the previous high, this is a lower high. Why this isn't a high, a lower high? Because this wasn't a lower low. So as this was the lower low, so this will be our lower high, and we see again a lower low and a lower high. Now earlier our range was this, which we have already seen. Now the market has changed its range. Now when you will get to know that the market has changed its range, most of the time you will see such patterns with higher low or and lower highs, sorry, lower lows and lower highs, or higher highs and higher lows, depending on which range is it's going to make uh, in the upcoming sessions. So that was the first point. Second point is that it broke our one of the levels, and most of the people hit their stop losses here. So but after hitting this stop loss, the market has again risen into a zone. Now let us identify the new zone. If you remember, I have told you that when this previous high was broken by the market, we should draw a zone from this high to the previous high, and from this low to the previous low. Let us try to make something like that here. And we will see one more important point while drawing the new ranges. So let me delete these previous ranges. Okay, or just lighten them, just lighten them. So this is our new high, and this is our new low of the liquidity hunt. And now let us draw the ranges. Select the rectangle tool from here and select the magnet tool. See, this is our new low and this was our previous low. Darken the zone to make it more visible. Extend the zone. Okay. Now we will draw our upper zone. Select this higher high, and now we see that in the previous identification of our zone we mark the previous high, but if the liquidity hunt breaks previous high, previous to previous high, then we will take the high which is closer to the our liquidity hunt level. So this was our this is our new level where we mark the zones and extend it and color the zone as red, because we are gonna sell from around this level. Now When the market was moving in this downward move or a trend, if we see in the lower time frames, so this was our liquidity. At first we will see it will look us to like it is just a normal down move of a downwards trend making a new lower low, but as soon as it breaks the previous high, it might point that a new range might begin or a new trend might begin. And we saw after bouncing from this level, the market has come around into this zone, and the new sideways range has begun. So as soon as the market closes below this level, which it has here, we will place our sell order around below this level, which is, let me delete these lines, so around this level, and we will buy from around this level, slightly below the sell zone and slightly above the buy zone is always better. So after closing, after the market closes around here, we will place our limit order at this price level, and we see that the market hit our limit order and we entered into a short position. Now, as in our previous video we discussed that our first target will be the whole range, first long and the first short target will be the whole range, and we see that it has hit our target, and we will place our long order here at this level only as discussed in our previous videos, and our first long target will be the same as taught in the previous videos, which is the whole range. And we see that our first short and the first long trade has successfully hit the targets. And after that we have discussed how we can identify the important key levels and how to book the partial profits there. So I hope you got how to identify the change of range in the market, and I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.